Hi, I'm Sarah from IPSY's social team, and these are my Holy Grail products. Kosas Color and Light Cream. Was never into blush before this. Next, I have the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This one's almost empty because of how much I use it. Last but not least, one of my first IPSY products ever. It's the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I'm obsessed.
Hi, my name is Amora. I work on the social team at IPSY and I've been here for about 6 months. My top 3 Holy Grail products that I've received in my glam bags are my CEO Glow by Sunday Riley. It's a facial oil and I'm obsessed with the product. Then the Danessa Myricks Vision Flush in Ballet Slippers. It's a gorgeous cheek tint as well as a lip tint. And finally, the This Works No Traces makeup and facial pads. I'm super obsessed with all things that I get in my bags, but these are my top 3.
Hi there, my name is Erin and I'm on the Creator Partnerships team here at IPSY. I've been here for about 8 months and I'm excited to share with you 3 of my Holy Grail products that I have received in my IPSY glam bags thus far. First off, I have my Tula Rose Glow and Get It. It's a cooling and brightening eye balm. I love to put it on in the morning under my eyes, get rid of any dark circles. It's something I definitely love and I love the shimmer it provides. Another one of my favorites is Sunday Riley CEO Glow. It's vitamin C in a turmeric face oil. It smells so good. I use it in the morning and sometimes at night, and the scent is so therapeutic. It is so calming and relaxing. It's a must-have for me. Then lastly is About Face by the Light Lock Powder. I absolutely love it. You can use it as a highlighter, but I actually love to use it as an eyeshadow. It's long-lasting and definitely one of my favorite products.